Virtual reality has transformed the gaming and entertainment industries, but its potential in the world of business is still being explored. In recent years, VR has been making strides in several sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, education, and retail. In this video, we'll explore how VR is being used in the business world and what benefits it brings. Let's start off with manufacturing. Virtual reality is transforming the manufacturing industry by providing new ways to train employees and simulate production processes. For example, car manufacturers can use VR to simulate assembly lines and train new workers on how to perform tasks in a safe and efficient manner. This can reduce the risk of accidents and errors on the assembly line, while also increasing productivity and reducing training costs. One company that has embraced VR in manufacturing is Ford. They have used VR to create a virtual assembly line for the production of their vehicles. With this technology, they can identify any potential issues with the assembly line and make necessary changes before the actual production begins. This has helped them to streamline their manufacturing process and reduce the time it takes to bring new vehicles to market. Up next is healthcare. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including healthcare. One example of this is using VR to treat mental health conditions such as anxiety and PTSD. Through exposure therapy, patients can be immersed in virtual environments that simulate triggering situations, allowing them to confront their fears in a safe and controlled environment. This has shown to be an effective form of therapy for many patients, with some studies showing success rates as high as 90%. Another example is using VR to train medical professionals. Medical students can use VR simulations to practice surgical procedures, allowing them to gain experience in a safe and risk-free environment before working on real patients. This not only benefits the students, but also reduces the risk to patients during training. On to training and education. One of the most significant applications of VR in business is training and education. VR technology enables businesses to create immersive training environments that simulate real-world scenarios. It allows employees to learn and practice new skills in a safe, controlled environment, without the risk of damaging equipment or injuring themselves. VR also allows businesses to create interactive educational experiences for customers, like virtual product demonstrations or immersive brand experiences. Next up, design and prototyping. VR is also transforming the design and prototyping process in various industries. Traditionally, designers would create 3D models of products on a computer, but VR takes this to the next level. With VR, designers can create virtual 3D models that they can manipulate and interact within a lifelike environment. This enables them to make design decisions more efficiently and with greater accuracy, saving time and money in the process. For example, architects and builders can use VR to create virtual walkthroughs of buildings, enabling them to make design decisions in real time. In the automotive industry, designers can use VR to test out car designs without having to create a physical prototype. Fourth on the list, sales and marketing. VR is also finding its way into the world of sales and marketing. Businesses can use VR to create immersive marketing experiences that transport customers to a different world. This enables businesses to showcase their products and services in an engaging and interactive way, making them more memorable to customers. For example, a real estate company could use VR to create virtual tours of properties, giving potential buyers a 360-degree view of the property. Moving on to collaboration and remote work. VR is also transforming the way people collaborate and work remotely. With VR, teams can work together in a virtual environment, regardless of their physical location. This enables businesses to save on travel costs and reduce their carbon footprint. Businesses can also use VR to conduct virtual meetings and events, enabling remote workers to feel like they are in the same room. lastly, we dive into retail. In the retail industry, virtual reality is being used to provide customers with immersive shopping experiences. For example, home improvement stores are using VR to let customers visualize different paint colors and furniture layouts in a room before making a purchase. This helps customers make more informed decisions and increases the chances of them being satisfied with their purchase. Virtual reality is rapidly evolving, and its potential in the business world is still being explored. From training and education to design and prototyping, sales and marketing, and collaboration and remote work, VR is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. As VR technology continues to improve and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Pixel Blocks for more videos on technology and innovation.